small particle called atom can kill you. If you travel in speed of light, we can't see anything because we are traveling in the speed of light. Or have you ever wondered why time travel is not at all possible? Have you thought something like this will help to time travel, something like that? Well, today in this video, we are going to talk about time travel. Before entering into the main topic, we need to know what is time travel, by the way. So most of the people after this video, then you may know about time travel. Well, I say it with a simple definition. Time travel means you just going from present to past or future. That's the simple definitions of time travel. And let's talk about how we can do a time travel. So according to scientists like Albert Einstein, I think he said that, but according to scientists, they said that if we can travel in the speed of light, we can achieve the time travel. But with the present technology, we can't travel with the speed of light, in the speed of light. So they say that if we travel in the speed of light, the time will be go forward. That means we are traveling to the future. And if we travel more than the speed of light, we will go to the past, which means we are going back the time, like from present to past. If we're traveling more than the speed of light, then we are going to present to past. If we are traveling at the speed of light, we are moving from past present to future. So this is the concept to achieve a time travel by some of the scientists. So if you need to know more about this, check out the articles that I mentioned below. And yeah, now let's see why our technology can't achieve the speed of light. Well, the real answer is it is the speed of light. All right. So according to my thought, we can achieve it by using space. Well, you know that if you use a rocket, let me say it from base itself. So if we if we just throw a object on space with a speed, the object will remain its speed until external force act on it. Like if I throw a rock on space, it's an example, completely an imaginary purpose only. So if you throw an object on a space, the object will continue to go on the same speed and in the same direction with the same speed until any other rock or planets come in front of it or disturb the object that I have drawn. And so if it is not disturbed, it is go in the same speed. So according to me, we can use a rocket and launch it and go to the light speed at least we need only 1 second to achieve the light speed. If you achieve the light speed for 1 second, it is good, because space is maintaining the speed of an object as same as it is started. So if we achieve the light speed 1 second, then it will remain it will always travel in the speed of light until any other external force act on it. So this is my first prediction. Well, it may be wrong because it may be wrong or it may be correct, but the problem in this is you may ask me why you need to go to the space. Why can't you do it at the earth? Well, here the Albert Einstein theory comes in. G says E is equal to mc square. Well, the truth is, if I need to do it in space, it is not possible, because if you using a car, or for example, we can take it an example as a car. So if you're going at 100 km/h speed, most of them will achieve it easily. By the way, if you are the only person who is driving the car, then you can go at 100 km/h speed. It will consume less fuel. But if you are traveling with your family or with more luggages on the car, then that time if you are traveling in the car with the 100 km/h speed, it will consume more fuel because of the mass, because of the weight, right? So So he is saying, Albert Einstein is saying, if the mass increases, the energy required also increases with it, which means if we need to time travel with the speed of light, we need unlimited fuel with which is unlimited mass, which means if I need to move an object with which is weighted 100 kilogram, I need to move it to light in the light speed, then I need to use that amount of fuel. I need to fill the engine or fill the vehicle with that amount of fuel for moving that object, which is weighted which has mass of 100 kg or something like that. Okay, I don't know much about physics. If I collapsed in newtons, kilogram and a gram like that, just don't care. It's just a fun video. Okay, I just telling about my predictions and my opinions about the time travel. So yeah, so let's continue. Well, for carrying that amount of weight, we need to use. So for carrying that amount of mass, and for moving the vehicle in the speed of light or something speed, we need to consume more fuel as well. So which means we need to increase the fuel amount, which also increases the mass that the vehicle need to carry, because fuel also has a mass, right? So that it is increasing the fuel mass. So I choose the space, but you may say, all right, we can achieve the 1 second of the speed of light. If we have achieve the speed of light just for 1 second, we can try do the time travel, well, right? But the thing is, as I told before, the speed will be the same until external forces act on it. But space is full of asteroids, planets, and something like that. So we can't do in speed of light, because if we to go in speed of light, then the object will hit us very, very hardly. If you're riding a bike with 100 kilometer per hour speed, then the object in which is comes in front of you, something like just think about a sand. If you're riding a bike without the helmet, then even the sand will hit you so much. Not much, but a little, but it is very small, and you are just riding the bike with a certain amount of speed, 100 kilometer per hour, like that. Well, somebody will ride in that speed as well. Well, it's full of imaginary purpose only, and even the sand hits you that just a little amount of pain. But if you're riding in the light speed, think about it. Even a small particle called atom can kill you. So that's the thing. That means we need to build a rocket which can pass through the obstacles that is on space. So, and the thing is, we can't do that, because if you are traveling in the speed of light, we can't see anything. It's blank. So it's bring me to next thing, that our galaxy is moving in the speed of light. I searched about it, and it is returning me some values, and it is not equal to the speed of light. And I thought maybe it can travel in speed of light, because as I told before, if we travel in speed of light, we can't see anything, because we are traveling in the speed of light, or we are above the speed of light, which means we cross the area before the light enters into our eyes, which means we can't see anything. We can see blank. We can't see like Doraemon doing a time travel, and the clock spinning in the sides, and something like that. Well, it's also imaginary, and I researched about it, and was the result. So so this theory that I told you was failed, and if we can penetrate through, we can pass through the obstacles, we can avoid the obstacles, and we can travel in the speed of light, means we can achieve the time travel. It was told by many of the scientists. I don't know who told that. Many of them. All right. This was the theory that I just said to you, and well, this is my idea as well. Let's say things that I thought fake but true, and I things that I that I thought thought true but it was fake. Well, the thing is, yeah, as I told you before, the galaxy is moving in the speed of light. It is fake. After searching that on Google, it is fake. And by the way, you know what? Light is speed in only on this universe. Light is the speedest object in only of this universe, but the universe is expanding on the speed of light. Well, this time is quite a little bit confusing, but it's okay. Just think about it. Which means, I seen a video from Mr. GK. So well, I give the link in the description. Make sure to check it out. And it was a Tamil channel, and he also told more about more details, more true details, and not like this video, by the way. But well, you can just go and check it out. He also talk about the teleportations. So well, he also suggests shown me many things like we achieved the speed of light 99%, we achieved the speed of the light, we achieved the speed of light, something like that. Well, we achieved nearly 8,000 kilometers per second. Well, it is achieved nearly some years, I don't know, and it was achieved by the satellite that I mentioned, that is showing on the screen. The name of the satellite, I don't know what to tell now because I am speaking without any scripts, so I don't know the name of the satellite. At the time of editing this video, I will mention the satellite name on the screen. Well, so we achieved nearly 8,000 kilometers per second. So I am also displaying the accurate speed that we have achieved. Maybe this number value or maybe increased. I taken it from the Mr. GK YouTube channel, so make sure to check it out. And this video is not sponsored by Mr. GK. Alright, now let's come to the topic. So that was the thing that I thought it may be true, but it was false. The thing is, this galaxy is not moving at the light of speed. Well, why I thought that the galaxy is moving at the speed of light? Because as I told you before, if we are going at the speed of light, we can't see any light because we are moving at the speed of light. The light is we are going more than the speed of light, which means we are seeing the things before our the light fall on our eyes, so we see nothing. I hope I have said the definition correctly. Well, that means we can't see other galaxies in the space because as you know, we are traveling the speed of light. We are going the bus with the speed of light, but we can see the bus members as we are in the same bus. You know, if you are going in the if you are going the bus normally, you can see the you can see outside who walking and who going for the school, who is going for the college. But if you're going at the speed of light, you can see nothing because light is slower than at the speed you are traveling, because you are traveling the speed of light more than the speed of light, and you can see nothing. Right? So but you can still see the face of your friends traveling with you at the same bus. That means we are at the universe, which is the bus that I mentioned, and the stars we see on the sky are the friends. As I told that you can see our friends, so you can see your friends, but they are not outside of the galaxy, they are inside the bus. They are inside the galaxy, so you can see them, and you can see the outside because of them, because you know you are traveling the speed of light. So that's it. And somebody says, well, I also thought this, but it was a wrong definition and the wrong theory. So and maybe we can also see the other galaxies outer of the Earth atmosphere, because nowadays there is more light pollutions, and we can't see much things clearly from Earth. So it may be happen like that, so that we can't see the galaxy. Maybe if we can see the galaxy, when we go out of the solar system, or something like that. But this is just a guessing and my predictions that I can throw. And that's it for today's video, and I hope you maybe learned something. If you don't understand any of the topics, make sure to click on the links that I have mentioned below, and make sure to check out the Mr. Tickets channel. And none of the links or none of the YouTube channels are sponsors this video. Well, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press like. In this video, I have mentioned all of my thoughts and some of the researches that I went to. If I said anything wrong in this video, make sure to comment it below. And this is just video of time travel. Maybe the information that I have shared in this video may be wrong, or mostly every information is correct. Okay, I have managed to do so. And thanks for watching this video, and I hope I have shared many things, and I hope you have learned something. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.